In a real life, you feel like abroad, everybody want to make it and make something out of them life. And one thing me know out of the whole of that though, the hardest buckle is given to the strongest warriors.
Mummy, me tell you, me I go make it, me never break the promise. You tell me beware the challenge, I'm nothing like the average. They said to be chosen, come with a weighty baggage. But me no give up, me use my faith with knowledge. Ever have a sticker, so a greatness a bill. Me no say poverty, that a slavery language. So me no farm fool, man, I fi bear the cabbage. Me no time cruise, but wear me glasses, cause me no see classic. Every ghetto youth life fi happy, yeah. And me know this without Bible and key. At the set a girl, them fi a ride me cocky. Man fi rich like me buy the lottery, and your life is a game. One heap of fighting at this time in a key. Last night in a me dream, me go remind me granny say me broke the curse of generational wealth, me a pray. I see na this and no pussy can't sell me auntie. Every ghetto youth want this, rich and no wanted. Every kid from the project dream big but it hard fit. Rich and no wanted, rich and no wanted. Tell receptacle me nah switch. This a for me and the family, yeah. Rich and no wanted, but so far we face challenge rough and we real problems can't find pan so far. We case get bust off left with no charges. Back in the days, you couldn't find broke and we rough car meal. Man drink enough porridge, and move me prayers up brought me tough and steel. Yeah, now make me cuss clout and cut grasses. Remember in a the first part when me just start this, mount of things me desire is a blood clot list. More time me burn the fire and it turn towards me. Me a meds for me dream and it coming like me just can't sleep. Me dog will sell me out, oh me just call real. You're not a G, me get cut so till me cut can't bleed. Me I go make them chat so till them out not tea. I couldn't make them out your seats, them and they out your tweet. Every ghetto youth want this, rich and no wanted. Every kid from the project dream big but it hard fit. Rich and no wanted, rich and no wanted. Tell receptacle me nah switch. This a for me and the family. When me tell you, me I go make it, me never break the promise. You tell me beware the challenge, I'm nothing like the average. They said to be chosen, come with a weighty baggage. But me nah give up, me choose me faith with knowledge. Never have a sticker, so a greatness a bill. Me no say poverty, that a slavery language. So me no farm fool, man, I fi bear the cabbage. Me no time cruise, but wear me glasses, cause me no see classic. Every ghetto youth life fi happy, yeah. And me know this without Bible and key. At the set a girl, them fi a ride me cocky. Man fi rich like me buy the lottery, enjoy life is a gift, yeah. One heap of fighting at this time in a key. Last night in a me dream, me go remind me granny say me broke the curse of generational wealth, me a pray. I see na this and no pussy can't sell me auntie. Every ghetto youth want this, rich and no wanted. Every kid from the project dream big but it hard fit. Rich and no wanted, rich and no wanted. Tell receptacle me nah switch. This a for me and the family.
Welcome to the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Please fasten your seatbelts.
It's your girl Noir, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
This is your girl Shally, and I'm locked into this Weekend Drive with my boy DJ Perryvilla. You better fasten your seatbelt.
This is Asabe, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
This is Yeza, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
Rebellion, you know. I mean, I say one year epic, you know. Welcome to the Weekend Drive with DJ Perryvilla. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Hey yo, big up Perryvilla Island. Bless up the massive system. Shabina don't tell them. Boom.